deals. This is a new ad they just dropped. This is gonna be just for Friday deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more tool review videos, so you guys won't miss any of the latest Black Friday deals. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we got the Black Friday for Home Depot. Savings all month long. Select the items. Supplies last. Well, this is all month long, but this is Friday deals only. So while supplies last in store or online. So then you got a Christmas tree, $79. We're not gonna go over everything because we are a tool channel. So we're just gonna go over the tools. We're gonna skip on these. They got some batteries there, $14.87. All right, so you got a ladder up here. First thing here is a ladder. So this one's $159. This one's a 22-inch or 22 feet reach. The other one that's $99, it's an 18-foot reach. This one is a 22, so this one's a slightly bigger. I think the other one's a little bit better for the for the overall use. But if you have a 2-story house, or if you're a professional and you're up there all the time, invest into this $159, down from $239. So it's a killer deal on that one. We got some lights, 24-foot smart color changing string lights, $29.88. You got some 27-gallon tough totes, great for tool storage and all kinds of storage in your garage, $9.88, and even at the shop. All right, so we got some Milwaukee 25-footer compact tape measure for $9.97. Exclusive 18-bolt brushless 3/8 drill driver 1.5 amp hour kit, $39.97. Very inexpensive, great for a gift if somebody just owning their first apartment and stuff like that. Exclusive M12 12-volt quarter-inch hex screwdriver 1.5 amp hour kit, $59 with 2 batteries charger. All right, so we got some appliances here, up to $800 off. Instantly save up to $1,000. All right, guys, we got a security camera. If you guys want to keep that garage or that house, obviously your house in secure with this Wise security camera. This is Wise Cam. I think it's OG wired indoor outdoor camera. So this one is indoor and outdoor rated. Motion, sound detection, color, night vision. So it has a whole 9 yards built into this. 1080p. So it's not going to be a 4K or 2K camera. It's going to be a 1080p. So very, very decent. Pretty good quality. You got a 2-way talk and record 24/7 built-in spotlights. It does have a spotlight there on the top. So definitely check this one out. I think this is one's a good value for the price there. Buy yourself a couple of those and set them on your house. They got some appliance deals if you guys got rental properties, or if you just want to put brand new stuff on your house. You got all sorts of stuff and more stuff for the kitchen. And let's see if we got some tools. Let's see. Do apologize for the sound. There's a machine going on in the background. Let's see what we have. We got a Joby vacuum. What is this? Exclusive 18-volt brushed hand vacuum for $59.97. It's great for a gift if you already own the batteries, obviously. You got in-store deals, guys. In-store deals while supplies last. Worthy tools. All right, so $99 your choice here. You got a reciprocating saw. It's a 20-volt max. This is not brushless. This is a brush. These two are brushed at least. Yeah, they're all brushed. $99 for a 6.5 circular saw, or you can choose from the 5 amp hour starter kit or the 4.5 grinder. Not bad deals, but I would definitely wait for or invest into some brushless XR tools or the atomic versions of these. Definitely check those out. All right, so next one down, we got this one. This is an 11-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver. This is from Milwaukee. So if you're looking for something very, very inexpensive and name brand, obviously this is the tool for you. $7.97. You got a 15-piece whole saw kit, whole dozer, $39.88. This is a 15-piece. These are really expensive. It's a great price. So if you need to get it, if you can wait, then it's probably going to drop down next year, sometime next year. All right, so we got a 2-pack M12 red lithium 12-volt battery with the XC4 amp hour battery. This includes 2 batteries, pack out compatible, wall plates. So $99 for everything. You got M18 18-volt multi-tool with the 1.5 amp hour battery, or amp battery kits. All right, the next one down, we got the M18 2-pack, 18 volt, 5 amp hour battery, includes 2 batteries, pack out compatible, wall plates, and M18 battery rack. So you get the whole deal, the whole shebang there with the with the storage and the batteries. All right, so you got 199. This one does include a 12 volt 42 combo kit with a 1.5 amp hour battery. It says includes drill driver, quarter-inch hex impact driver, 3/8 ratchet, hacksaw, 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. All right, next one down. This one's down one's not 199. Next one down is $79. You got great for a gift or somebody starting out with the first DIY stuff. So you got exclusive 18 volt 3-tool combo kit with the 1.5 amp hour battery, includes drill driver, circular saw, LED work light, 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. So pretty complete kit. All right, next one down. You got a $99 for a 20 volt max compact heat gun with the DeWalt battery. So definitely check that out. Not all platforms do have a heat gun. You got the battery storage system. This is the Battery Daddy. I do have this one personally. I think this one's a really, really good tool to have, especially to clean up. It does have the battery tester. Holds up to 150 batteries, $9.99. That's a really good deal on this one. All right, so you got exclusive 15-foot landscape extension ladder or extension cord. My bad. $9.88. You got $59.88 for the exclusive 16-gallon NXT wet and dry vacuum, $59. We've seen this before. I mean, we've seen this throughout the Black Friday deals. $6.88 for the small 14 compartment organizer. You got this one for $9.97, exclusive max fit 30-piece screwdriver and bit set. Then $9.88 down from $14.97. Exclusive 500 lumen dual beam LED headlamp. And $19.97 for the exclusive solid 10-piece reciprocating. We've seen these before. $24.97 for the inflator, $99 for the 18-gauge brad nailer, $239 for the 9-amp wet and dry tile saw with the stand, $29.88 for the 150-pound capacity folding hand truck. All right, let's look at if you have anything else. You got what is a mini fridge for $24.99 for the 6-pack there, soda pop. You got Monster Bluetooth wireless speaker. So basically, like all the gifts for the whole family. You do have a job site speaker, and for the TV, and you got a sound bar. Pretty decent deals, guys. Decent deals. Not killer deals, but they're pretty decent for what they are. So if you need to buy and save some money, then obviously those are good deals for that. Let's see if we see anything else. You got some plugs there, a smart indoor plug, and then you got a 20 volt outdoor smart plug. So if you guys are doing you got smart devices here. A security light. I personally do own something similar to this, but not this one exactly. But this one for $49.99, I think this one's a really good deal. You do have HD camera with night vision and all that stuff. Motion detection. So all the whole shebang bang in a small package there. So $49.99 is pretty good. And then the doorbells, if you guys want to add some security obviously to your home. This one's a Wise Camera V3 wired indoor outdoor camera for $29.98. Pretty good deal on that one. And then if you guys want to keep it on the Ring, which is one of the flagship brands out there, or the best brands, the Ring is one of the better ones. Google Nest $149. Let's see what else they have. Thermostats. This is the Google thermostat for $89.99. Let's see if we see any tools, because that's what we want to see. Got tools for the kitchen. We got stainless steel tumblers. Let's see what else. If we don't see any tools, then we're probably gonna call it today. Alright, we got a light. This is LED cordless work lights, hands free for $9.97. Buy one get one free. So there you go, guys. Buy one get one free. You got a drone there, $34.88. Very inexpensive. Great for a teenager. Alright, got a ladder, guys. Yeah, definitely check out the ladder deals on the Home Depot. There's a lot of good deals. available. You got a 6-foot fiberglass step ladder, type IA, 300-pound capacity. Definitely check this one out. It's pretty good. $59.88. You got door garage openers. You got a power lock 25-foot tape measure. You got a portable compressor. 40 horsepower or 40 not horsepower 40 volt HP brushless. 2-tool combo kit for $199. You got $12.88 for these Diablo spade bits or circular saw blades, either 7 1/4. And that's it. Yeah, that's it, guys. Some deals available, some pretty good deals. Definitely check it out, guys. Lots of good deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Stay tuned. I will be having some more videos coming out either tomorrow or later today. Be sure to stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.